Hi dear children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take your general science class. So dear children, please take out your general science book, page number 6. Page number 6, chapter number 4. The topic is things we wear. Things we wear. So dear children, we all wear clothes. Clothes come in different style and colors. Clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold and rain. We should always wear neat and clean clothes. They keep us healthy and we look good. So dear children, today I am going to teach about things we wear. Things we wear. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a blazer. This is a blazer. What is the spelling of blazer? B-L-A-Z-E-R, blazer. Look at this picture. This is a shirt. This is a shirt. What is the spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T, shirt. This is a t-shirt. What is the spelling of t-shirt? T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt. This is a skirt. What is the spelling of skirt? S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Look at this picture. This is a trousers. What is the spelling of trousers? T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. This is a vest. What is the spelling of vest? V-E-S-T, vest. V-E-S-T, vest. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a lehenga choli. What is the spelling of lehenga choli? L-E-H-E-N-G-A, lehenga. C-H-O-L-I, choli, lehenga choli. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a red frock. This is a frock. What is the spelling of frock? F-R-O-C-K, frock. Dear children, look at this picture. This is underwear. What is the spelling of underwear? U-N-D-E-R-W-E-A-R, underwear. U-N-D-E-R-W-E-A-R, underwear. Look at this picture. This is a socks. What is the spelling of socks? S-O-C-K-S, socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a shirts. What is the spelling of shirts? S-H-O-R-T-S, shirts. S-H-O-R-T-S, shirts. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a jacket. What is the spelling of jacket? J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Dear children, repeat with me again. Blazer. blazer, blazer. Shirt, shirt, shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Trousers, trousers, trousers. Vest, vest, vest. Lehenga, choli, lehenga, lehenga, choli. Frock, frock, frock. Underwear, underwear, underwear. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Socks, socks, socks. Jacket, jacket, jacket. So dear children, please learn the spelling of things we wear. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.